Hi friends, we are going to learn second unit. The sub unit is the twins. Friends, we have learned the twins poem. Now we are going to solve English workshop. The first question is rewrite putting the mistakes in the speaker's life in their proper order. A. He got beaten up often at school. B. The speaker bride became his brother's wife. C. The speaker desperately asked for guidance. D. No one in the family could distinguish between the twin babies. E. At the naming ceremony, wrong names were given to the two twins brothers. F. Even in death, the twins were not spared during burial. Now, let's see proper order. First, no one in the family could distinguish between the twin babies. Second, at the naming ceremony, wrong names were given to the two twin brothers. Number 3, he got beaten up often at school. Number 4, the speaker desperately asked for guidance. Number 5, the speaker bride became his brother's wife. Number 6, even in death, the twins were not spared during burial. Next question. Pick out 4 situations in the lives of the twins which are too absurd and senseless to believe. Number 1. The people began mistaking one for the other. Second, the speaker's brother got the name John intended for the speaker. Number 3, the speaker intended bride became his brother's wife. Number 4, when the speaker died, the neighbors came and buried his brother John. Question number 3. Complete the wave diagram. Poet uses humor to create laughter. Second, to entertain readers. Next, to create good mood. Number 4, reduce stress. Number 5, to have a sense of humor. Number 6, make readers happy or reduce boredom. Next question. Write any 2 lines from the poem that you find most humorous. Number 1. For somehow my intended bride became my brother's wife. Second, when I died, the neighbors came and buried brother John. Question number 4. Pick out lines that contain alliteration. First sentence. In form and feature, face and limb. Second, as we were being watched by nurse. Next, hyperbole. And I was always getting flogged for John turned out a fool, and when I died, the neighbors came and buried brother John. Next question. Pick out from the poem sets of words that generally go together. For example, kith and kin. Next, form and feature. Next, face and limb. Next, take for. And last one, fearful pitch. Now, question number 6 and question number 7 you have to complete. Question number 6 is, write in your notebook the summary of this poem in about 15 to 20 lines in your own words. You can suggest another humorous title. Question number 7. Write an appreciation of the poem with reference to all points mentioned on page number 5.